Hello guys, this is the Claret and Blue Train Spotter. Welcome back to another video, this time at Sandwell Dudley on the West Coast Mainline, where we should see services from Avanti West Coast, cross country, London Northwestern Railway, Transport for Wales, West Midlands Railway, and maybe, if we're lucky, there might be one freight train coming through here as well. Departing there is 390.016 with the 0956 Avanti West Coast service from Glasgow Central to London Euston, running about 2 minutes late. 730.007 for West Midlands Railway. Brought me in from Aston, who's working a service from Walsall to Wolverhampton. I think that's pretty much everything you do need to know about, to be honest. So yeah, just sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and let's see what should arrive, depart and pass by here at Sandwell Dudley. Okay, here we have passing by West Midlands Railway Class 196006, working 1 Juliet 46 from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. Okay, now coming in will be the 1003 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. 730.016. Okay, now approaching is going to be a London Northwestern Railway Class 350. Working 1 Golf 45 from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street, 353.76. Change at Watford Junction for Harry Potter. Okay, now about to pass by will be 220.030 for cross country, working 1 Mike 26 from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Running about 2 minutes late. There's a shock. Okay, now approaching is going to be a DB Cargo UK Class 66 084. Working 6 Victor 88 from Wolverhampton Steel Terminal to Markham TC. Passing through 3 minutes early. Okay, now arriving will be 390.153, working the 1017 Avanti West Coast service from London Euston to Edinburgh. Okay, I think now getting ready to depart with 390.153 with the 1017 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh. Okay, now coming in is going to be 158, 838 and 826 working the 1020 Transport for Wales service from Aberystwyth to Birmingham International. 838 has done the entire journey and joined up with 826 at Shrewsbury. Okay, now departing will be 7:30:037 with the 10:23 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton, as 158, 838 and 826 have also departed with the 10:20 Transport for Wales service to Birmingham International. As you can see, 7:30:037 has, well, especially on the front carriage, has received a lovely new livery, courtesy of Banksy. And I'll continue recording as we are also going to have passing by 221 123 for cross country, working 1 Victor 49 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads. I did just see him in the reflection of the 7:30. Here he is. Okay, now getting ready to depart the 158, 820 and 833. Despite real-time trains saying so, 197, 120 is not hooked up to him, mainly because that would be impossible. Yeah. Yeah, they are working the 10:30 Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International to Aberystwyth and Pwllheli. They're going to split at Machynlleth. 833 is to Aberystwyth, 820 is to Pwllheli, and like I say, 197, 120 is nowhere to be seen. Shame on you real-time trains thinking that you'd actually be able to hook a 197 up to a 158. I do love those glitches. Remember one glitch a couple of years ago where they had a 22 car Pendolino, which was also quite odd. Okay, now coming in is going to be, well, I'm going to assume it will be 7:30:007 on his return. The train that brought me in here earlier. Working the 10:33 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. Okay, now approaching will be another London Northwestern Railway Class 350, passing by working 1 Golf 46 from Liverpool Lime Street to Birmingham New Street. And then also about to pass by will be 220 001 for cross country, working 1 Mike 29 from Bristol Temple Meads to Manchester Piccadilly. That was a double stunt train or double shift train, something like that. 350-107. And if the autofocus wants to bloody play ball, that would be nice.
Be aware that the station floor and platforms may be slippery due to today's weather. Please take extra care when walking around the station.
Nice little smell of diesel with him as well. Not the strongest smell, but there's still a little bit of there. Okay, now passing by will be 353.76 on his return, working 1 Foxtrot 52. Oh no, okay. Oh, it is, okay. And he's hooked up to 351.18. Yeah, 1 Foxtrot 52 from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, now approaching our final training video, running about 2 minutes late. 221-121 for cross country, working 1 Oscar 12 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. As he continues onwards down to Bournemouth, I am going to conclude this video there, guys. Yeah, do you know what, Sandwell Dudley, it's not been terrible today. You know, it has been alright. You know, we've had an alright bit of stuff. I think an hour is probably more than enough. I've just done under an hour, really. But yeah, like I say, that is just more than enough, really, to catch pretty much everything. It was nice to get freight train in there as well as a little bonus. Yeah, and yeah, it's pretty much everything needs to be said. Yeah, I was requested in the Q&A to go to Erdington to film at my local station, which is Erdington, which is what I'm going to do next. So yeah, on the Cross City line we should see plenty of services from West Midlands Railway and a bit of freight as well. When I say freight, I mean railhead treatment train. Coming in here is 730-047, also with a new livery, courtesy of Banksy, heading to Wolverhampton. Yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, then don't forget to leave a like, share, friend, subscribe. Comment down below any stations you want me to do, and I'll see what I can do. Yeah, Twitter, WhatsApp, Blue Sky, all links down below if you want to follow them. And until my next video, until Erdington, for me, the Claret Blue train spotter here at Wolverhampton, here at Sandwell Dudley, I shall catch you all later, guys. Cheerio.